If missed call notifications are not showing up on the screen when the iPhone is locked, even though the notification is turned on, then let us see how to fix the issue. For that one, we will open settings, we will go to notifications, then we will scroll down and we have to look for the application phone. So open the phone application. Now what you have to check is you have to make sure that you have enabled alerts for these options: lock screen, notification center and banners. So make sure all of these options they are selected, and also there's an option here show previews. Make sure that it is always selected to always, not when unlocked. If it is selected to when unlocked, select always. So once you do these two settings, then you should be able to see missed call notification on the iPhone screen even though it is locked. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.